Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Kid on Trade here, and in this video, this is basically, as you guys can see from the title, this is a trade breakdown on today's lost. So I didn't trade on the funded account today. Actually, I did in fact trade on my live account. So today I lost about like $50, which is not bad for on the live account actually. Right? The account can hold us like $50 loss and stuff, and you know, we could literally make back that tomorrow hopefully, right? So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So as you guys can see here, based on the chart that we have a gold setup right here, gold demand. If we go back, you guys can literally see how high gold has been trending for a very long time. I think like 3 weeks, but you know, we still trading with the trend. Honestly, this zone here was actually my full zone that I had marked up, and when I realized how high price was going, breaking more structure, then this zone here was created, New York session, and then I marked it out, and then you guys can see here a bit of consolidation. One reason I like this zone is that the 50 SMA, literally, although you guys can see here the 13 EMA was like just right, like way above, right, the zone, but I was just more focusing on the 50 SMA only because of how it was still inside the zone, and how this candle here literally came and rejected. Or this candle here is literally New York Stock Exchange open, right? So at the point in time I was not watching the time, so that's already one thing that I have to work on, watching the time, making sure not to trade New York Stock Exchange open and stuff, right? And then yeah, I got in as candle was broken. You guys can see here that once price reached up here, I started to say, okay, price can actually price can continue to go up to my take profit. And then this candle here literally shut down, and I was literally watching it only because I was like still, you know, in the trade, because the 13, as you guys can see, the 13 EMA, it was like when candle was forming, it was rejecting beautiful off of the 13 EMA, and I said, okay, let me hold a bit longer. I believe this candle here, right, the 950 candle, it started to push down, so I started to watch more, a little bit more. I said, if it breaks this candle here, let me just mark it also, you guys would know. I said, if it breaks this candle here, then I'm looking for possible exits out of the trade here, just to save a little bit more cash, right? Cut my losses early, right? And then you wouldn't believe what happened, right? After this candle was from here, literally as this candle started to create, my Wi-Fi just literally just cut off, literally. So thank God that I had placed my stop loss and everything else, right, and take profit. So I got back Wi-Fi somewhere when price was literally like down here, like what time? This is at 10:30 candle, right? That's like kind of like Wi-Fi was basically going for like almost 1 hour, right? When I came back, then I checked it and realized that I literally got taken out of the trade, and nothing I can do about it. And yeah, literally I was in fact going to take a GGH setup earlier on, and then I said no. I said like, okay, it literally broke the zone, and literally was just a beautiful liquidity sweep, liquidity grab, right? So if some of you were watching GJ, you guys can comment down below and let me know if you guys took the liquidity setup on GJ buys, of course, because GJ was trending up, breaking beautiful structure and everything like that. But that's it for the video. We are back on grinding tomorrow. New York open, New York session, right? So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you guys can always be updated when I post a new banger like this. And make sure to join the link in the description below to the Discord if you want, of course, if you want to join a free community. Most of us in there like mostly trade supply and demand, but probably with like their own confluences, obviously, right? So yeah, without further ado, that's it for this video, guys. Peace out.